So hi everybody, welcome to another video of Daily Dose. आज का टॉपिक है every grade of bitumen that exists. I'm going to explain you all about it. I'll tell you how these gradations work and also I'll tell you their application. So without wasting any time, because this is a short video, I'll move ahead. So guys, this is the Daily Dose video that we are always providing you here, right? So guys, the first thing which I want to tell you is there are different kind of gradation that can be done. तो पहले के वक्त में earlier times there used to be a penetration grading method where we used to have a penetrometer. Based on that we used to get the value of penetration, that the test which I have explained you in my other video of daily dose only. So here what we are doing is we are basically representing the grade based on the penetration value, like 20 30 30 40 40 50 50 60. So 20 30 they are nothing but they are the values that we have got during that test, which is the penetration test, and we are doing it for multiple times. Say for 5 times you have done it, so minimum value that we have got was 20 and maximum was 30. What these things actually representing are that the penetration is between 2 mm to 3 mm. So what does it tell us? If we compare 20 by 30 to 80 by 100 grade, we will understand that 20 by 30 grade is slightly having more viscosity in comparison to the 80 by 100 because penetration is less in case of 20 by 30 bitumen grade. So this is how we used to do it in earlier times. Then now we are using the viscosity grading system where we are having 4 type of grades, which are VG10, VG20, VG30, VG40. Now, what is the usage of these viscosity grades? Guys, if I talk about VG10, so VG10, it is widely used in spraying applications since it is having the least value of viscosity, such as surface dressing, paving in very cold climate, right? So it is similar to older version of 80 by 100 penetration grade, that is VG10, approx, not exactly but approx. It is also used to manufacture bitumen emulsion and modified bitumen products like cutback bitumen, right, and bitumen emulsions. Those we are also having. Then there is VG20. Now when I talk about VG20 bitumen, VG20 is used for paving in cold climates and high altitude regions because high altitude regions are also having less temperature. So we can't use a regular paving grade. Now, if I talk about regular paving grade, so that is VG30. So VG30 is primarily used to construct extra heavy duty bitumen pavements that needs to endure substantial traffic loads. So it is similar to 60 by 70 penetration grade earlier, which used to be represented as 60 by 70. Now it is VG30. Then comes VG40, is used highly stressed area. Now there are some areas on the road, everybody, where high amount of load sustained for a longer period of time. For example, toll tax. The vehicles are coming, they are stopping over there on the toll tax area. Now as soon as the first vehicle will cross the toll tax, another vehicle will take its place. So that area is continuously under the loading, and that is the reason why we require higher amount of strength to bear for that particular section of the road. That is the reason why we use VG40, which is similar to 30 by 40 gradation in terms of penetration, right? So these were the usage of all the viscosity grades, but not just this. I'll show you something more. So if we see this, everybody, these are the viscosity grade bitumen specification as per Indian Standard 73 2006 edition. यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा होगा all the characteristics of all the grades like VG10, VG20, VG30, VG40. For example, absolute viscosity, kinematic viscosity, flash point, solubility in trichloroethylene. So all these tests we have discussed in another video of this series only. You can watch it if you are needing more information on this. But this is the entire table as per the Indian standard. I hope this is clear to all of you. Now we'll move to the next thing, and that is something new to you, that is performance grade bitumen. Now, performance grade is the newest classification method. It is introduced to the industry about 20 years after viscosity grading. So, after like first penetration we were having, then viscosity grading, and now we are having performance grade bitumen. So, despite of all grading system, there always has been, there was a lack of accurate method that could be able to choose the best bitumen of an area. So that is the reason why we are working on this performance grade bitumen, and there are different kind of performance grade bitumen classification as well. So why these things are required? For example, these values, why they are required? They are required. I'll give you a very practical example which I always give in my classroom as well. So suppose if we are working for some company and we require VG30, okay? So we will call Hindustan Petroleum or any other vendor कि भाई please send VG30 to our site. They will send VG30. Now before we unload the truck, we have to be sure that it is VG30 or not. For that, we will carry out the testing. We will carry out flash point test, solubility test, penetration test, softening point test, viscosity test. So we know for VG30 the values should be 220, 99, 52, 70, 47. These should be the values. If the values comes under the limit, permissible limit, then very good, we will unload the truck. But if it doesn't happen, then we will ask the company to change or replace the material because it is not appropriate as per our demand. So this was a short video on the grading of bitumen. I hope I was able to make you understand all the things which you didn't not know. I hope you know it now. Thank you so much for watching. Keep subscribing the channel, sharing the video and liking the video. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Goodbye.